Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS so you pick the right menu. Once done, back up contacts for safety, then open Settings and go straight to Display or Accessibility. Tap Display, then look for font size, text size, or calling screen settings. On some devices, the calling screen font sits inside Accessibility or Phone App Settings. If you see quick preview controls, use them to test changes before committing so you know how the call screen will look. Now focus on the core adjustments. Use the font size slider to increase or decrease text until names and numbers are readable during calls. Make small changes and watch the live preview. This prevents oversizing that breaks layout. If available, switch font style or enable high contrast text to improve legibility. Also, open the phone app settings because some manufacturers' separate caller ID font controls there. Adjust call screen layout or contact display. Finish by saving any changes and placing a quick test call so you see the font in real use. Make sure to test with different contact name lengths. Long names may truncate. If the new size doesn't appear, force stop or restart the phone app, and then reboot the device to apply system-level changes. If problems persist, reset display settings to defaults or install pending OS updates. Often a minor patch resolves incompatibilities between the UI and custom fonts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.